What is an IVR number and how does it work?
Hello and welcome to this informational session where we'll be unraveling the mystery behind a term you've probably encountered more times than you realize. IVR, short for Interactive Voice Response. You'll get to understand what an IVR number is and how it functions.
What is an IVR number?
Let's begin with what IVR stands for. Interactive Voice Response, or IVR, is an automated telephony system technology that interacts with the callers, gathers the required information and routes the calls to the appropriate recipient. Now, an IVR number is essentially a contact number that businesses or organizations use to enable this interactive voice response system. When you, as a caller, dial this IVR number, you are guided through a series of pre-recorded voice prompts, allowing you to choose from various options to find the answer to your query or reach the correct department or individual.
How does an IVR work?
But how does this really work? Well, the mechanism behind IVR is quite fascinating. The entire IVR system is comprised of several key components, which include telephony equipment, software applications, a database, and supporting infrastructure. Here's a step-by-step rundown of the process. 1. Call initiation. When a customer or user dials the IVR number, the call is received by the IVR system. 2. Voice prompts. The caller is then greeted with pre-recorded voice prompts. These prompts could range from asking for a specific language selection to presenting a list of services or departments. 3. User input. The system waits for user input. These inputs are typically in the form of dual-tone multi-frequency (DTMF) signals, i.e., the tones generated when you press your telephone's touch keys. 4. Call routing. Based on the input received, the IVR system uses predefined rules to route the call to the most appropriate agent, department, or information system. 5. Database interaction. In some cases, the IVR system may interact with a database to fetch specific information, such as account balances in a banking IVR setup. 6. End of interaction. Once the caller's query is resolved, the IVR system ends the call. The system's beauty is that it allows for 24/7 customer service without requiring human intervention at every stage. It's like having a virtual receptionist that never sleeps. That's all there is to understanding IVR and how it works. It's a brilliant piece of technology that enables efficient communication between businesses and their customers, improving the overall customer experience. So, the next time you dial a number and hear a pre-recorded voice guiding you through options, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.